Hey, what's going on, everybody? As always, this is your friendly neighborhood writer in red, coming live from Missouri. I'm just testing out a new thing, figure out it's worth a shot, basically. Just figured out that it's worth uploading something on Sunday. Let's just see whether you guys enjoy watching these videos on Sunday more than on the usual Tuesday evening or Wednesday morning, right? This is so steep it's legally considered a ramp. Jesus. Alright, well, it seems like I'm stuck in the traffic, but the good thing is, this is not going to be the entire video. I just kind of started a talk the other day, which was completely unplanned, but I think I got some cool stuff down, so let's just cue it up and see what you guys think about what I have to say. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit a like and drop a comment. Holy shit, I'm really enjoying this. Oh man, gotta take it easy. Gotta take it easy. You know, I've been thinking, I have an interesting topic for you. Oh. Hold on, there's a car trying to pass me, and there's a radar right ahead of me. Alright, easy there. Radar passed. Let's do it. I'm not even gonna. These guys, man. These guys. Alright, so on my way here while riding, I was kind of thinking of an idea that I have to tell you about. I've been kind of noticing this recently, and I wanted to hear other riders and drivers' opinion. But basically, from what I've noticed, the more aggressive you ride and the faster you ride, the more you get tired from the same ride. And I'm not talking like plus 200 kilometers or like 120 miles, whatever, right? What the hell is this guy doing here? Dude, there's no U-turn there. Jesus Christ. Oh, don't you love it? There's a torrent behind me trying to pass me. Again, he had off a radar. Easy there, brother. Easy. So what I've been noticing is, if I'm doing fast maneuvers and just overall riding aggressively, I feel like the same route is more tiring. And I think the main reason behind that is that your brain is basically getting on an overclock where you're scanning way more information way faster to be able to tell what's gonna happen. Come on, dude. Let me pass. This is like a tradition at this point. The fuck out of here, dude. This guy's trying to... Really? Freaking really? Was he really trying to overtake that car on the right and race me or something? Come on, dude. Okay, back to the point. I know I've been accused of digressing quite a lot, so I'm gonna stay on the point, hopefully. Point being, I think the faster you ride, the more tired you get. And I'm not talking about the speed itself or the drag or anything. I feel like when you're in the track, you're not as concerned about drivers around you, because oftentimes you don't have just car drivers around you. That's pretty much all the time, right? Let's see if this guy's gonna... Thank you, gentlemen. But I've been noticing the same route, if I take it going over the speed limit or under the speed limit, there's gonna be a difference at the end of the day how I overall feel. I'm not talking about like physical tiredness, but your brain just kind of gets a little, you know, tired. We stopping? Alright, kind of stopped, so figured I'll just continue here. So this video is mainly about, I guess, the overall topic of, do you get tired from riding fast? And if you do, you might have not even realized that that's what's causing tiredness. But you might wanna keep it down low and just take your time, chill and cruise, you know, just have overall fun while out on the streets, instead of just taking it really hard and like driving the crap out of the pavement and then feeling hella tired. Well, this is one of the guys that thinks if he drives on the right lane, it's gonna be somehow like a hit on his ego. Alright, whatever. Third world country problems. Would you call this a third world country? Yeah, more like a second world country. Is that even a thing? Anywho, just wanted to share this idea. I know I'm just out for a cruise, just having some fun, right or red time. I figured I'll just blabber around on this topic. That's not a planned main vlog style thingy where we have like a crazy intro and stuff, so I don't know, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed it, then hit a like and subscribe to this channel. I will be your host, friendly neighborhood rider in red. And there's a red bomb coming right ahead. Dude, that's a brav bomb and a back off kind of thing. 2 stones, 1 rock. Shit, I mean 2 birds, 1 rock, 1 stone. Damn it.